So I got this kit for Christmas from Emily. It's called the Eternal Bookstore. It's a book-nook thing that fits on your bookshelf, makes it look like there's a little world sitting in your bookshelf, I guess. It's a kit, pretty fun to build. There's a lot of detail. It took me about 20 hours or so to make it. So every one of those books is individually made, stuffed on the bookcase there. There's all kinds of news articles that are made to look like old newspapers. So you can see one in there that's the Titanic sinking. There's a map of Hogwarts for if you're a Harry Potter fan. There's a moon landing newspaper front page. So a lot of fun stuff jammed in there. So this is just various shots of the inside of the bookstore once I finished making it. So behind this door is where the normal light controller unit is. It's just a battery operated on-off switch basically. And the way the bookstore is designed, you can only get to that controller by reaching around to the back of the bookstore model and opening that little door and then turning the lights on or off, which is kind of a pain in the ass. So I decided I needed to make something a little bit more robust than that. So I decided to use an ESP8266 microcontroller and build a little LED control circuit so that I could telnet in to the bookstore to turn lights on and off, dim the lights, etc. So here's a little bit about that project. So this is a screen grab of my PC running Putty, and I'm going to load a configuration to connect to the bookstore at IP address of 10.0.1.210 using telnet port 23. So when I connect, the bookstore first off reports this menu of options. So I'm actually connected wirelessly to the bookstore here, and I'm going to issue a command to turn the lights on, and you can see the lights come on, and I'll turn the lights off, the lights go off, turn them back on, and I can change them to be brighter on high. I can set them to low light, somewhere in between, turn the lights back off again, back on again, etc. I can dim them up, or excuse me, dim them down 10 units at a time, or brighten it 10 units at a time. And by the way, the lights go anywhere from a brightness value between 0 and 255. So you can see the setting the lights to number that shows up on the screen is it corresponds to the brightness level of the LEDs in the lighting system. So you just issue commands wirelessly to the bookcase to turn it on and off and change the lights and so forth. It's kind of fun. There you go. Hope you enjoy it.